How to fix Yahoo Mail login error. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix your Yahoo Mail login error. Now, if you're unable to log into your Yahoo Mail account, now what you need to do is, in order to fix it, first of all, type in yahoomail.com or mail.yahoo.com and head over to its official webpage. So first thing, if you try to log into your account and just tap the login button. After you type in the login button, enter in the Yahoo Mail and then click the next button. On the other page, you'll have to provide in the password associated with it. If you're providing an invalid password, that might also be one of the reasons why you're unable to log in or the login error occurs. So simply you need to recheck or double check the login information or the credential that you've entered, and only then tap the sign in button. If that is also not working out, then you can also try changing your password. Sometimes changing your password might be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then you can clear your browser's cookies. So in order to do that, tap the three dot icon from the top, go to clear browsing data, and from here you need to clear your browsing data as well as your cached image and files. Click the clear data button, and after you've done that, quit the recent tab and then open up a new tab. Type in the same link, that is mail.yahoo.com, and try logging into your account, and that might be able to fix the issue. And you can also use different supported web browsers. Apart from Google Chrome, you can use different web browsers such as Firefox, Mozilla, or any other sort of web browser. If that is also not working, then you can try logging into a different sign-in page like the primary page or the Yahoo sign-in page. That might be able to fix, and if nothing seems to be working out, then you can simply wait for 24 to 48 hours or contact the support team. In that way, you can fix your Yahoo Mail login error. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.